Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our CompTIA SecurityX CAS-005 series. This series helps you ace the exam. I am your host, and today we explore change in configuration management under Governance, Risk, and Compliance, Section 1.1.4. We will cover three subtopics: Asset Management Lifecycle, Configuration Management Database, and Inventory. These are key to secure and compliant IT systems, and they are critical for the SecurityX CAS-005 exam. So let's get started. First, what is change in configuration management? Imagine your IT environment as a car. If you don't track oil changes or part replacements, the car breaks down. In IT, this process controls and tracks updates to hardware, software, and systems to avoid issues like security breaches or compliance violations. It keeps systems stable, secure, and aligned with governance, risk, and compliance policies. Let's break down the three subtopics. We begin with the asset management lifecycle. This is how you manage IT assets, like laptops, servers, or software, from purchase to retirement. Think of it like owning a smartphone. You buy it, set it up, update it, use it, and replace it when it's outdated. The lifecycle has 5 stages. Stage 1, planning. Decide what assets you need. For example, a company needs servers with specific security features for PCI DSS compliance. Stage 2, acquisition. Buy or lease the asset, like ordering those servers from a vendor. Stage 3, deployment. Set up the asset, install security software, configure firewalls, and integrate it into the network. Stage 4, operation and maintenance. Keep the asset running with updates and patches, like updating your phone software. Stage 5, decommissioning. Retire the asset securely. Wipe the data and dispose of the hardware responsibly. Why does this matter? Managing the life cycle prevents vulnerabilities in outdated systems and ensures compliance with standards like ISO 27001 or GDPR. For the SecurityX CAS-005 exam, understand that this process reduces risks and meets regulatory requirements. Next, we have a Configuration Management Database, or CMDB. A CMDB is a database that tracks IT assets and their configurations. It's like a digital map of your IT environment, showing how hardware, software, and networks connect. For example, it might show that a company's application runs on server A, which relies on database B. If the application fails, the CMDB reveals that a recent update to database B caused the problem. The CMDB is essential for troubleshooting and compliance. Without it, misconfigurations can lead to security risks. For the CAS-005 exam, know that a CMDB controls changes and keeps your IT environment secure and auditable. Finally, let's cover inventory. This is a list of all IT assets, like hardware, software, and licenses. Picture it as a grocery list for your kitchen. You list everything you have: 100 laptops, 10 servers, 50 software licenses. An inventory ensures you know what you own, so nothing is missed during audits or updates. For example, during a security audit, you check your inventory and find 5 laptops with outdated firmware. That's a risk. You update them to stay compliant. For SecurityX CAS-005, remember that inventory is a foundation for asset management and CMDB, preventing issues like unauthorized devices or expired licenses. How do these connect to governance, risk, and compliance? The asset management lifecycle keeps assets secure throughout their use. The CMDB ensures changes are tracked and controlled. The inventory confirms you know what you have. Together, they help you govern IT, reduce risks like vulnerabilities, and comply with regulations like GDPR or PCI DSS. For the CAS-005 exam, think about how you would use these in a real organization. How would you track servers or software updates to prevent a cyber attack? That wraps up change in configuration management. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more SecurityX CAS-005 content. In the comments, share one way you would use a CMDB or inventory in an IT environment. If you want a visual of the asset life cycle or a sample inventory, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.